Good morning, everybody. Here to rinse out another t-shirt. We've got a beautiful rainbow. Ooh.
You might want to check your lens.
Dragnet. It happens sometimes. That's all good. We got our beautiful rainbow tye-die too. See if we can have another winner. It's actually come out really good when I looked at it. I was shocked it stayed together this well. I thought for sure it would run a lot more. To the inside.
Oh, I left my tray.
Oh, you need a tray.
Okay.
Now we can.
Let's see. This one was my one I was looking forward to. I know Dad likes the blues over there.
I like the blues. The Williams and stuff.
And the cobalt and the last year.
Boy, I love all blues. Mama's more of a rainbow fan. I like all the colors too. Blue's my favorite one. But I like all of them. The world's not fun unless you have all the colors. I gotta pick one. It's definitely be blue. We got it inside now with some warm water. We're gonna start to get it unbanded. Look at that beauty poking through there. This is the one that's supposed to be like a rainbow, an actual rainbow, with fronts on each side of the rainbow. We'll see what we end up with. That's some pretty color in there. All that dragon fruit. I love the dragon fruit. I think it's like it and the hot pink is my two favorite is magenta. I really like the hot pink one too. Dragon fruit's one of my favorite colors, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, we've used it before.
Oh yeah. In our last batch of new colors. So.
Yeah.
We gotta do the more colors that we haven't even mixed, like grapes and stuff like that. Let's see what we got. Whoa!
Rainbow!
Look at that, it's a perfect rainbow!
Rainbow!
Wow! Look at that! Look at that, people. Perfect rainbow. Nice.
Came out wonderful.
And here's the final result. Check that out. Cool. Look at that. A beautiful rainbow on a t-shirt. This is another one of those designs that we just figured we'd give a try. I didn't really have any
solid ideas of how to make this happen. And you know, you pretty much have to stick to the pattern of the rainbow, but man, did that come out looking good. Got the dragon fruit on top, a deep purple on the bottom, a little bit of, or sorry, not, that's not deep purple. Yeah, it is deep purple on the bottom. Look at that. Man, makes for a beautiful, beautiful shirt, especially out here in the sun. The camera doesn't even do it justice, for real. So beautiful. Look at that. All the different colors. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.